You see, I already started. We have to start the video.
We sit down in front of the camera and she said we're going to do a video today. I don't know. I think I like me to tell. Are you control that, man?
Oh, you're so wicked.
Nick.
No, you.
Nick.
You, babe.
Nick.
Don't play with me. So you have to show the people the more Coco?
Yeah. So. They're my baby. Yeah.
I'm his baby.
Baby.
It is obvious, the diamond dog with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Can't laugh, so.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, RASH&NIQUE, which was formerly known as Life as Nique, but we changed the channel name. And yeah, so we're back. We're back with our first sit down video as RASH&NIQUE, right? Yeah. So yeah, guys. So
better name now. Yeah, better name.
Yeah. So we're here today. We're gonna do a who's more likely to. So I have some questions and we'll see who does what and what's what, okay?
Yes.
But before we jump into the video, guys, I want you guys to subscribe to RASHKAMAR Entertainment.
Aye.
Subscribe to RASHKAMAR Entertainment Vlogs. Now, RASHKAMAR Entertainment Vlogs is a new channel where you will get before and after footages after the parties, dance hall events, whatever he does. Whenever he gets bookings, he does before and after. That channel is exciting because you see everybody hanging out, everybody under them liquor, so they might chat beer shit. Yes, so that channel is pretty much fun or whatever. And if you want dancehall content, like, you know, parties and stuff like that, you can check out RASHKAMAR Entertainment. All the links will be down below. Last but not least, don't forget to check out Face Beat by Nique. I have not been posting any content lately, but trust me, guys, I will be starting to post content for you guys to post on that channel. That channel is mostly beauty content, makeup, hair, and all of that good stuff. So if you're looking forward to that, check it out. Description will be down below. So yeah, we're gonna do a video today. We're gonna see what's what and who's who. And
We're gonna do a video today? I never know. For real? Oh.
You see, I already started.
Yeah.
We have to start the video.
We sit down in front of the camera and she said we're gonna do a video today.
I don't even talk to Uno, me talk to. Uno don't know what we're gonna do. Me tell them so I do a video now.
Oh, tell them. We're not here.
You just want me to talk to you, no? You just want me to talk to you.
We're not here.
So yeah, guys. So we're gonna do We're gonna ask the questions and we're gonna see if it's me or Rash, okay? And if you guys can join along and comment down below when we ask the questions, you guys can say whether you think it's me or Rash, okay? You guys feel free to jump in and join in with us and comment down below. So you ready to get this started?
Yeah.
You gonna tell the truth?
Man, I tell the truth. Don't know. Alright, I'm not even saying nothing. She already said how she can cook and Ray and me can cook. And remember, we have catch her up on camera. I said me a bad chef. Yeah. And I talk about I try to say my food never good. You see what I say?
I have a couple questions here in my phone, so we're gonna just go through the questions and we're gonna say whether I think it's me or Rash. So you ready?
Long time.
Okay.
Remember me write this question, never know.
You start with a lie already. You start lie already. You see that? You see me telling you that's why I'm asking if I'm gonna tell the truth, because him start the video with a lie.
Me tell the truth, man. Me tell the truth.
Okay. Put your hand up. Put your right hand.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. That can work too. Alright. So, let's get started. The first question is, who takes longer to get ready?
Nick. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm guilty. I take long to get ready. Come on now. Uno don't say woman take long to get ready. Man, all them do shower, draw a shirt, a pants, and gone through the door. Choop choop, follow one and gone.
You not have to take so long. You not tell me that. Yeah, do better now.
But when I take so long and step out though, you're like, damn, baby, you look
no,
good.
I know that. Yeah, do better now. You not take so long again. You used to take 4 hours to get dressed. Remember, Dance start, party start at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and you now come till 5 o'clock, you know. Remember you come on my party 5 o'clock, you know. Okay.
No, but
next.
No, ain't no next. Nope, we're clarifying this. You might talk about next. Me used to work, me used to do makeup, I used to do clients before the parties. So that's why most of the time I was late. Thank you very much, RASHKAMAR.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll take the cake for that one. I take longer to get ready.
Next one, are you doing a bit, y'all?
Who controls the remote?
Nick.
No, you,
Nick.
you, babe.
Nick.
You. Me could I do? I watch my show. By the time I go to the kitchen, get some water, come back. He switched my show to his whole another
That's
show.
not control. That you gone and leave, so me go and watch my thing. Hold on. Me go and watch my thing until you come back. You know she start? She start lie down on the remote. That a control the remote.
No, I don't even have to tell her.
Alright.
I'm on the remote.
Me go do. Me go video. She hide the remote. And me couldn't know. I think I lie me tell. Are you control that man?
Oh, you so wicked.
Who?
Me.
Yeah.
Light up on the remote for hide it from you.
Me don't know if that remote under you. So me don't know if you hide it from me or what. But
People,
me and Twitter can't find it.
people, wanna see my bam bam lately? You know
Next.
which things last underneath that?
Next.
Alright. I'm gonna stop talking about next.
Are you that again? Let's see.
So, we have to come to a conclusion. Who controls the remote? I really believe it's you.
Make them.
Them can't tell you that.
No, but let me see what I want. Who believe who? You know what I mean?
I am still, guys. So
Cause you know a Rash Nation out there now.
yeah. So
Okay.
I'll neek them out there too. The neeks them. I want to.
Okay, Rash Nation out there. So let me see what I want.
All right. Here's the next question, guys. Who said I love you first?
Me! Yeah, I love my baby! Baby.
Your baby
All
love
right.
it too.
11 or 12 years ago, I say it?
Yeah, about 11 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said it first. Now.
Yeah, you see me and a liar though.
No, so boy, I love a gal. You know, you know, shucks, guy. You know,
You
shucks,
see
guy.
me and a liar? Me make sure put up my hand like up in a class me there. Yes, me.
Okay, let's see how much more you're gonna tell the truth.
All right, then.
Okay, so yes, he is the one to say I love you first.
Yeah.
Alright.
And still I say it.
I love you, baby.
I love you, baby. Love you. Smell nice, eh?
Thanks, baby.
I cheer the side of me. Next.
Who's okay? Who spends the most time on social media?
Well, I mean that still me not lie.
We be in the bed watching a movie. He's scrolling. I'm like, put the damn phone down.
No, me not put down the phone until me get the break through this thing here. Sometimes I learn how to do certain things because you don't know nobody not teach me. Me teach myself.
Okay, what if it's something constructive? Then I guess it's
YouTube
fine.
teach me. So guess what? Me now go stop. Sometimes I ask her. Sometimes she said that. Me just get up and me want cheer. Me just go to the door, go pack up our reel and do my thing. Yeah, me I look the boss.
So you have to show the people more your caco?
Yeah, so. Yeah man, I mean man, cause me I jump from YouTube to Instagram to Facebook to no, yeah, but that's the place where me I go.
But you know what, baby? I feel like during the day, I spend the most time on social media.
Yeah. So it's like you control the day. When me come in now, cause me can't do that. Your job different. You understand me? I say? So when me come in now, me jump on online and offline and all kind of line. You know what I mean?
I work from home, people, so sometimes when I get my breaks and stuff, I promote and stuff on my social media. So I guess you could say it's 50-50 then. Though it's the both of us on this one, right? Yeah? You would agree?
$100 that.
Alright, you guys. Next question. Who is
Oh yeah.
the question?
You come like somebody down a town.
Who is the better cook?
Well, me no know because she have things that I just she have to cook that. You understand me? I say so. Are you the better cook?
For sure. Shawty.
Well, If you say so, I don't know. Because me say, me have things where me cook where I just me have to cook it because she like it. She have things where she cook
true.
where me can cook it, but me like how she cook.
I'm not gonna really say me are the better cook still. The two of us can cook. The two of us can cook.
Oh, probably are the better cook, but me a chef. Yeah. Next. Yeah.
Whatever. Alright, next question, y'all. Who is the messiest?
I don't understand that.
None of us.
When
Even
you're
us?
messy. When you're messy.
Like,
nasty? No. No.
I knew you was gonna go.
No, because when you say messy.
Oh, you think I mean like drama?
Yeah.
And them something like, oh no, not like that.
No, and we're not even going to son either. We're
Yeah,
not drama.
we're not dealing with that.
No, we're not drawing nothing.
0.
No, we're not drawing nothing.
Yeah, man. So who's the messiest? That not applied to none of it.
Nobody live in here. Nobody live.
Cause him not nasty, me not nasty. I keep it very clean.
And they
home.
pick them not nasty.
Pick them not nasty. My hygiene on point, everything on point. So
yeah.
I wouldn't say none of us. Who is the most forgetful?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, man.
Cause sometimes I have to be as a member say, what if you do this? And you say, damn.
Yeah, I mean, because hear me I say, sometimes I when me a pray, sometimes she tell me something, but through me I try to process when me I pray in my head. I not even remember what she said. In a real life. Yeah. But
so you also what you say? When me talk, I want ears through the neck.
No, me never said that.
Mine, you know.
Just saying me I say me a pre outfit, turn over this and you tell me to move past the remote. Just
okay, that's more focused on one thing.
Yeah, me more focused then. That's why sometimes me not remember things, but yeah, you know me focus and yeah. I mean I always forgot things.
Good brain. Alright. Who is the most affectionate?
I mean.
Yeah.
I mean.
I would say so.
Yeah.
Cause you always like kiss me up and I hug me up and I rub it down.
Like a friend me a beg. Me go top that shit.
No, you're not.
Alright.
That's what kept you here for these 12 years. You talk about you gonna stop.
So what keep you?
What do you mean what keep me?
Alright, that keep me here, what keep you here?
Everything.
This new question, what keep you
everything
here?
what you do.
Okay.
Everything about my baby keep me
That's
here.
what I say, man. I just love it, you know, because I guess I not even want to go to this next video.
Right, baby. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Love everything about my baby. Who snores the loudest?
Well, me don't know, you know, because I thought we are asleep.
Snore.
But Devane.
Shock that trailer this room.
Devane said, why mom snore loud, mirror through the wall. You're say the same thing, and me, I feel touch you, I say, yo, baby, turn over. Yeah.
So, but first of all, we asked the question.
That's how you would do that. I saw you did anything.
Whenever I asked you a question, I didn't say demonstrate.
Oh, okay.
You saw extra? Nobody ever asking for demonstrate. Don't play with me. Okay, next question, you guys. Who made the first move?
Move in a minute.
Who made the first move? You.
What?
And you approach me.
Oh, that kind of move. You have to say, look much move. Remember, say we move from upside.
You think too much about the question.
You have to direct. Bullseye.
You thinking a little bit too hard about the question. Who made the first move? Sit your ass down. Nobody ever. Sit down. Rutland Road, New York.
Yeah, man, I mean, man. Know yourself, man. I mean,
June 24, 2011.
Yeah.
Remember.
And look how short here come up.
We're gonna do a story time. I tell you how we meet.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a story time phone now. Who spends the most money?
You.
Guilty. I mean, I'm a female. I need more things.
No. Me a male, me need more things too. But guess what? Me know say I know so life go. Cause if you follow, if you get more things and more things, a bank got empty. So I know so you go. Not because you're a female, because I could have go suburbs and say, right, run a Gucci and run so and more and this and more. When my name? What can I chew him name?
True Religion?
No, Chew. Chew me Chew.
Jimmy Choo.
And all them something, but yeah, man, which she will go get it. she loves spend money.
Let's not take the camera in the closet and show them how many Versace glasses you have in there.
So?
And how many glasses? How much designer glasses me have?
3.
A 3? No.
A 3?
It's 2.
2? Okay.
And how many you have? About damn 10.
Huh?
Huh? Huh? Can't get your tongue? Huh? Yeah, but you have about. He has a lot of.
No, yourself. I not tell how much me have it. How much me have when you see me them in them. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So you spend. I would say you spend the most money because him always say.
No, me not spend the most money.
Don't.
Let me tell you how me shop. I see something I like it, me save towards it. So it's like, I don't like say the money that I got in and nothing else. I just me. I save the money until me have things where about a year me I save forget it. Every time I save, me have to do so with the money again. So, but she now, yeah, she spend the most money. But our friend I say, why she high maintenance?
High maintenance?
Yeah.
I'm not high maintenance.
I just say, you remember your friend
I'm
say,
a good girl.
I know you're good too, but me never say.
Okay. Alright, so I guess I spend the most money. I'll take it.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Next question. Who is the better driver?
Hey, to a woman.
Me. People, you know what? In a car with him when he come up on a stop sign, you feel like you go through the windscreen.
So that's a seatbelt?
Even when I have on my belt, I feel like I go through the windscreen. When him done and he finally stop at the stop sign, my chest there the freaking dashboard.
No, alright then. Me no know. I saw me grow up.
Then him say me drive like taxi driver at Jamaica.
Yeah. Yeah, and hey, she have a style when she overtake, you know. She go so. And go so. Look side way, watch her, she go. But Lamont, let me say be I care overtake the people, they care enough. I know your mouth, you go so.
More focus like you.
With them what? I see that. Auntie, that's a blouse and skirt. Yo.
I think I'm the better driver.
Well, hear me say, me know me can drive. Cause me drive a
can drive.
Something, but hear me say, I'm back one trailer and all them something. But you see, me like when she drive, me not lie. Me feel safe when she drive. Yeah. And she drive like a taxi man for true. Yeah, cause she Mr. Babe, you need to go over there.
I like people in front of me. I like switch lanes.
You need to buy a helicopter then. Make nobody know in front of you.
Oh, that's in the making.
Then
that's in the making.
Right.
Future thing. Yeah. Alright, so I'm the better driver. Who is the most organized?
I told you. No.
Somebody gotta pick. Somebody has to pick. Who's the most organized?
Alright, you. Cause me know me organized though. And you can thief my little 50%.
Alright, it's 50-50.
Yeah,
okay.
50-50.
Yeah, okay, 50-50.
You can imagine, just imagine. You remember, alright, we're not nasty, but if me never organize, every day you'd have to do something. Because...
You know what, babes? I'm more organized. You know why I say that? Because you said when me clean, you say, yo, babes, you say when you do the cleaning, and you done the place look different. When me do it, it look nice enough, but you know, look like when you do it because I make more put things
Alright,
in
she clean
organized.
better than me. Yeah.
What you?
Yeah, she clean better than me.
Alright, fine.
She more organized for you. No. I don't know.
I think I am.
Look on my side of the closet and look on your side. Hell no.
Yeah, I think I'm more organized.
Me have...
And we have things yasso, over deso, underneath yasso, up top yasso. Me, like put things in a little corner. I really like things out in the way.
Enough things me have so you can't go in a little corner and that.
Me more organized, me take that one.
Yeah, man.
That's what I want to say.
Alright then.
Who is the better dresser?
Two away,
It's two away.
Two away, man. Yeah, man.
Two away, because you know put yourself together. I know how to put myself together for the most part.
No,
so.
me not put myself together. Dress my dress. Right.
Oh, clean and out.
Oi.
Ah. Aye. Oi. Aye.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
It's two away, man. It's two away. You know?
Yeah, 2 away.
Alright, you ready for the next question?
Not them.
Alright. Who does the grocery shopping? Me.
Yeah. Sometimes I go there. Once in a blue moon.
Yeah, once every 50 years.
Blue moon. Yeah. I do my work still.
Who is the most competitive?
Me. Yeah. Me love competition. Remember me tell you that.
Cause in the game I play, I'm for win, cause you know take loses.
Me like competition.
Yeah,
Cause I want to prove it to say, yo, I can do it. Cause I not say I'm better than you, but I can do it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm competitive, so he might take that one there.
Yeah.
Who has the best taste in music?
You. Yeah.
Yeah.
That bad. I like the one there. True.
Me, guys. Man, I was come up with some new tune and some song and some sitting and some song. I don't know. It's just music has always been a part of my life. Yeah, cause you know, girl have a little voice pan her and thing, you know.
Let me tell you how me deal with music. If me hear the music and it reach out 30 seconds and you know lick me, but she will listen the whole light and then say bad. No, you have to hit me for the first 30 seconds or so in the song. Yeah, I saw me deal with my thing, but she, yeah.
I'm kind of like that too. Like if I listen to a song and me not hear what I want to hear, it's kind of like I'm like next. But if the beat first, sometimes the rhythm catch you, cause you know sometimes the rhythm play out before them start vice. So it's like when we hear the beat, me I say yeah, this catchy, and then when I start hear the words, and I say yeah, you know.
Pull over in the room.
Yeah, you know.
All that. Anyway.
So me have the better taste in our music. Who is the funniest?
We at this song nothing.
Speak for yourself, how you call me that?
I mean still. Me I take that. Me no business with you. Me I take that.
That one I'm not really so sure about.
Yeah? Me I take it. Trust me, I take it.
That one they hard. But I don't know. I get him say I him, so.
Yeah. You love long up your mouth and screw yourself too much, man.
That's I'm miserable.
Yeah. I mean not
but I'm not miserable. Sometimes I just want me in my zone. I don't really want to talk to nobody because you do me nothing. But I'm just in that zone.
Oh.
I'm moody, I guess. Who is the most creative?
Creative on what?
I think I'm more creative, most creative.
Well, yeah.
Because the way I put stuff together, like if I do anything with editing, even you too. I mean.
Now that's time I say with what because you're creative with like yeah. Say alright, I put something else up.
I don't know.
And when you're done, I said damn. I never know that could have hold less or that could that.
No, creative means like.
I know the what me I said depends on which era. Alright, you know. You say that you me a win, me a give.
Sure, you tell say I win. I would tell say I win, and I win, but I would think that I'm the most creative. Cause sometimes I do some sitting and it's like I'm coming on my head and be able to say,
yeah man, that's
it. Oh you think, oh you do that and oh you, I don't know people. It's God bless me with this gift. I'm just do what me I do.
Yeah.
All right, next question. Who is the best at directions?
Direction.
Me.
I mean, got me with a punch in it. You
know, no GPS. It's me.
I never hear I direct somebody if you go nowhere. I never hear I direct somebody if you go anywhere.
Don't buy me direct people, man.
Oh, I never hear that. I never hear me know me have to do that all the while.
We direct them, man. We direct them.
Okay.
All right, next question, guys. Who books the holidays? Me is the one for more plan holidays or we ever get together, do things and such and such and such and say, yo, you know so what about yourself? Or we about yourself? Or whatever. Me, I'm
yeah, she that kind of person with us. Always I'm somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. Make somebody come and say, yo, dance all I keep.
Yeah,
ready.
Yeah, me love dancehall. Me love dancehall. Me don't know why me love dancehall. On the road me love. But dancehall, me love dancehall. Yes, I trap with them having a dancehall on them bad. What?
Who swears the most?
Me.
Me.
You? Well, probably, you know the most.
Yeah, you know the chick bad word unless
that a rough. Okay, that's how I went. What mean at the house?
Me chip right bad right round the clock. Sometimes I don't even realize me I do it.
Okay.
Yes, I would say me.
Cool.
Don't forget, you guys can comment. Whoever knows us, you guys can comment down below and answer the questions because you guys know us too. So, you know, we might be off and, you know.
Yeah.
Who is the smartest?
Me.
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 We.
Hands down, point blank, and a period. Honey.
Yeah, she's smart. Tell me.
You really mean that?
Next.
You really mean that?
But
I got so happy.
She's smart, man.
Oh my god. Who chooses the gifts?
What gifts?
We both choose the gifts.
What gifts?
Like holiday gifts, birthday gifts, we both.
Okay.
Okay, next question, you guys. Who changes the light bulbs? He's more to do that type of handyman
the question
stuff.
they shouldn't come in because they know say I must me. Because number one,
no, because you can't say I must you.
Look
you
here.
have some man, them there yard, and a woman still have to do everything like a man.
A some man that man. And a man.
I understand that. I know that. I understand that. That's my point to you.
Look here.
You.
Me are 6 feet and she short so. So what do you think? I thought she short.
What has to do with anything? That's
No,
what I'm a ladder.
No, it look short. So I thought she short.
A step stool.
Yeah, I mean, and me, yeah.
You, yeah, what?
6 feet? So now me, I forgot change.
Since when you become 6 feet?
The
last time we did Smacks and Facts, you said you were 5'11".
That's about 2 years ago when I grow.
Grow which part? You don't grow.
Come measure me. And see something. I want you, I say wait. Me grow. No, for real, I say wait, me grow.
Who organizes date night? Dang, you didn't even let me answer.
Tell her she like. Me tell her she like. I'm a baby here.
Yeah. Chilling. Don't know. Okay. Who is the? We're gonna go to the next question. Who is the most high maintenance?
You. Yeah, you. Yeah. Remember your friend said it, you know?
Which friend that?
Judge? Yeah. You.
I guess. Yeah, I would say I'm more
say yes, that's
high maintenance. But I'm not high maintenance. If we had to choose, it would be me though.
So if it's not, why choose it?
Because we don't high maintenance.
Okay.
Right. Who is the most romantic?
Me.
Me.
You.
Me.
Me. Me. Next.
Who makes breakfast in bed? You.
And lunch and dinner too.
Wanna watch the Sunday vlog. Most of the vlog them will bring food for me. Yeah. Don't know. Me get breakfast in bed.
Greedy.
So what? I'm not feel. You tell her that all the while.
No have a problem with it. I'm gonna say I'm greedy. Greedy.
Okay. Who orders the takeaways? I guess that's takeout. Me or more to eat out the road than him.
Yeah.
Him more want cook.
She love go buy food the road. Trust me. And I like that.
What's that time I come tired? I can't bother for cook.
I just don't like that.
Well, cook.
The time where you take for go weird around and come back and stay in a line for like 2 hours and something and then come back.
Which hour line me staying up for 2 hours? Anyways, people, that was the last question.
Last question?
Yep, that was our last question. But now we have to turn to each other and tell each other 3 reasons why we love each other. Who wants to go? You want to go first?
Because you're short, and you're sexy, and you're beautiful, baby. Yeah.
Really? Everything that looks?
Yeah. Me just love you. Me just love you. There's no special reason why I feel me love you.
Oh.
Me just love you. No people not even know love. Alright.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 reasons why I love you.
Yeah.
You are a great provider. You take care of your family. You will give your last, and you do it all.
That's true.
Him will give me or the pit of them him last people. Him rather know so we eat and him we hungry. Him say angel will feed him when him asleep. Him say granny tell him. So him rather give we and do without. Next thing I'm love boy, you don't play about me.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Cause a man is supposed to be a provider, a protector. And what else?
Are you tell me?
You provide, you protect.
And what? And what else?
The way you love me, the way him love me, people, the way him treat me with respect. Me and a man in 12 years, and him never, no matter if we have a disagreement or anything, him never call me out of my name, never, ever. And that's what I love boy you have. No matter, oh, we'll probably get in an argument or whatever, you never disrespect me like them way there or whatever. So him have a certain level of respect and him have boundaries and him there's certain things, certain line him never cross when it comes to me because he love me so much. And I really love that and I respect that, and I just love how you take care of your family. I love how you love me, love how you love the kids them. I love you're very ambitious. The list I can just keep going.
I treat them saying.
Yeah, but me I talk about my baby. When I give who business about them and them 3. My baby have more than 3. Ambitious, just everything, and him is very supportive. We support each other everything what I do. So that's why I love you, baby. Mwah. But yeah, people.
Yeah, makeup, baby.
Lip gloss?
No, makeup. You put on makeup? What I make? Yes, full of makeup down. No. Give me some glass. No, man, a lipstick. Alright, I'll give you my lipstick. Give me some lipstick.
What you? You're so stupid. I cannot. But yeah, people. This concludes the video for RASH&NIQUE. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys think about the video, and you guys can also comment down below what you guys would like for us to do, what videos you guys would love to see us do as a couple or individually, doesn't matter. Yeah, you guys will be seeing more of RASH&NIQUE, and we got some more challenges coming. I really are trying to figure out, oh the hell I'm gonna prank him, but I can't figure it out. So if you guys have a good idea on how I can prank him, DM me. And my Instagram link will be down below in the description bar. All of our social media links will be down below. Don't forget to check out RASHKAMAR Entertainment. Don't forget to check out RASHKAMAR Entertainment Vlogs. Don't forget to check out Face Beat by Nick. And yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to RASH&NIQUE if you haven't done so already.
Right.
We would love for you to join the family, and please guys tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
The silent watcher them, just subscribe to man.
Yeah.
And just drop comment and share and like and all these things.
Yeah, and leave your comments down below. A lot of people they text us or they reply to us on WhatsApp and stuff like that.
Excuse me. You know if you tell them if you left a comment below, you know, I can't go top. Just comment.
You need to stop what me I gonna say for that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyways, people, some I wanna some of you guys link with personally, text, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, say, oh my god, I love the video, I love you guys as a couple, da 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 da. Okay, we really do appreciate it, but we would appreciate if you guys will put it down below in the comment section.
Yeah.
Yeah, just comment down below and tell us your thoughts, you know what I mean? And yeah.
That's it for this video.
That's it for this video.
Yeah.
You got something to say before we conclude?
They're my baby. Yeah.
I'm his baby.
Baby. Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for joining us on RASH&NIQUE. We're gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.